What you're about to see is a time-lapse video of us putting together our Kart Mate. Now, I did not have, I assume it was lost in shipping, the adapter for the Kart Mate to the mower. But because I want to have multiple mowers that are already ready to go for the Kart Mate, I'm actually having my assistant custom fabricate one mower at a time. So as we grow, we're still able to use one Kart Mate, and as we grow and purchase more Kart Mates, we'll be able to knock it out. I hope you enjoyed that assembly video, and as always, if you will, like, subscribe, and thank you for your time, and y'all have an awesome day.